Hey, Lon here. So one of the things I like to do is take my truck here, Toyota Tacoma, out and do a little bit of light off-roading. Mostly hit some trails and things like that. I'm going to be going out to a place here in Michigan known as Yankee Springs. But in order for me to do that, you see down behind me here, I have these steps on. These are not rock rails. They're just steps to help get up in the truck. So to give me a little bit better clearance, I'm going to be showing you today
Toyota
how to take these off. Now this could probably work for a variety of different types of vehicles, other trucks that may have similar steps on, but this specifically is a 2020 Toyota. So these are the steps that I was telling you about. To remove these off, it's quite simple. For this particular model, all I'm going to need is a ratchet with a 12mm socket. I'm also putting a little extension on there, just makes it a little easier to reach and to turn the ratchet. And how do you like my handy dandy mat there? Just makes it a little bit more comfortable for laying down. Keep saying I'm going to get one of those creepers to lay down and get under there and be able to move around. Hopefully I'll be able to get one soon. For now, this saves the back a little. All right, so starting at the front end here, here's the rock rail. And then see there's two bolts right there, right there. There's three sets of these. If I come down here to the middle, you're gonna see there's two more there. And as we slide all the way down, there is the last two. So a total of 6 bolts that has to come out. Personally, I'm gonna start here in the middle, and then I will take the other ends off. There's one. And two. Got the middle ones out. Now I'm just going to move to the sides and get the rest. And there we have it. It's off. Again, just 2 bolts there, 2 bolts there, 2 there, if that makes it a little easier for you to see where they are located. Now you might be wondering, how heavy is the step? Not really that heavy at all. As you can see, steps, they're hollow. Aluminum, it's not very heavy at all. Now, really up to you. You can keep the bolts with the steps. Since I'm going to be taking this a little bit off-roading, going to get some dirt, possibly mud, I like to just throw them right back in the holes. It keeps the dirt and mud from getting in there. Make sure you tighten up those bolts nice and tight so you don't lose them along the way. Obviously, we're just going to repeat the process for the other side. So if you're taking these off because you don't want them anymore, and store them away, sell them, or if you're just taking them off to hit some trails, do some off-roading, nice easy process to get off those steps. Thank you for watching.